Of about 4,000 species of mammals, nearly 1/4 are bats. They have many different lifestyles. Flying foxes, or fruit bats, for example, feed on fruit and flowers, which they find using their keen senses of sight and smell. They also play a vital role in our environment, pollinating flowers and dispersing the seeds of the fruit they eat. A number of infectious diseases of people and domestic animals have recently emerged in Africa, Asia, and Australia. Several of these, including Hendra virus, Nipah virus, Ebola virus, and the SARS virus, may all reside in wild bat populations. Outbreaks of these diseases are the result of a complex interplay between the specific type of bat, the environment, and the disease-causing agent or pathogen the bat is carrying. Human-induced environmental changes, such as deforestation and breaking up the bat's natural habitat, possibly contribute to disease outbreaks. The Australian Biosecurity Cooperative Research Centre for Emerging Infectious Disease has an interest in the natural history of bats and their role in disease transmission. Researchers within Australia and the Asia-Pacific region are conducting crucial field research and surveillance to better understand and respond to infection dynamics and infectious agents present in bats. At the field site, the bats are individually anaesthetised. Then samples of blood, saliva, and urine are collected for analysis back in the laboratory. Their nails are painted for identification to avoid sampling the same animal twice. The bats are then weighed and measured, and after recovering from their anaesthetic, are released back into the wild. Analysis of the samples collected from bats will increase our understanding of how infectious diseases like Hendra virus, Nipah virus, and Australian bat lyssavirus can be transmitted from wild bats to domestic animals or people. We are also tracking the migratory movements of bats using satellite transmitters to determine the risk of disease transmission between regions and even countries. This research combines the expertise of a team of veterinarians, virologists, ecologists, and epidemiologists. Bats are an important part of our environment. Understanding how pathogens are transmitted and spread is necessary, both for minimising the risk of disease to people and domestic animals, and for safe and effective management of wild bat populations, while conserving the ecosystem we all share. You should not be afraid of bats, but do not handle bats from the wild without knowing how to do so safely.